SETS is a project funded by the European Commission designed to empower social economy organizations for the green and digital transition. We have developed a series of innovative training programs to help you succeed in the digital age. We can offer you 3 courses. The first one will help you to collaborate and communicate seamlessly in digital environments. The second one will enable you to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence. And the third and last course will empower you to master social economy and impact management. Let's dive deeper into the modules of Course 3. The first module introduces social economy and entrepreneurship in Europe. You'll discover the principles and practices that drive sustainable and inclusive growth through social enterprises and entrepreneurial initiatives across the continent. Next, we move on to social innovation and co-design. This module focuses on developing innovative solutions to societal challenges by leveraging collaborative and user-centered design approaches. The third module looks at the different organizational forms of social economy organizations. Understanding these diverse structures helps us see how SEOs operate to create social value in different contexts. Then, we explore the impact economy approach. Here, you'll learn the strategies to align financial success with positive social and environmental impact in an evolving economic landscape. Finally, we'll cover social impact assessment tools. This module will equip you with the methodologies needed to effectively measure and communicate the social impact of projects and organizations. Are you ready to lead the digital transformation?